Hey guys, it's me. It's Saturday and like I said yesterday, I am going to come live to you no matter how I look. So again, 12-hour shift. This is what I look like. Not too bad. But this is going to be super quick, okay? Now, if you're a Facebook group owner, then this is for you. If you don't have a Facebook group, you can still do this. This is a challenge for you, but you only have to do one before you go to bed. And that is find a member in your group and click on their profile, scroll through their profile, see if you see anything that stands out to you. Then send them a private message. If nothing stands out to you, send them a private message, just hoping that they have a great weekend. It's Saturday, right? There's still a weekend left. Hoping that they have a great weekend and that you were just thinking about them, and that's it. Do you know that a message like that in your inbox, hi Marcia, thanks for hopping on. A message like that in your inbox, out of the blue, will be incredibly memorable. Have zero intention, with the exception that you just want to make someone's day. And heck, challenge yourself and do more than one. But just go find someone in your group and click on their profile, take a look at their profile, see if you see anything that stands out. If you don't see anything that stands out, that's okay. Build relationships. Absolutely. Send them a private message just wishing them a wonderful weekend, okay? That's all you have to do. I guarantee you it will stand out. And you know what? They may not see it for weeks. Maybe they're not in their messenger, but they will see it. And even if you've never sent them a message or you're not friends with them, here's what I do. And I don't know if this helps, but ever since I started doing this, I'm pretty much 99% of the time someone sees the message. So, you know that little wave button in your messenger that's really super stupid and annoying? Hit their profile, hit their messenger, hit the little wave button first, and then send them a message that says, I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and that's it. And then they'll go, who is this person, right? You're wondering. They'll say, who is this person? And then they'll figure it out based on your profile that they know you from your group, etc., etc. It will make a lasting impression. I guarantee it. It's like the simplest thing to do. All right, guys, that was it. That's my quick tip for you tonight. It's Saturday. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for hopping on, guys. Thanks, Marcia.